Hey again, and welcome back, guys, to the next episode, episode 2 of the Learning Arcade Fix series. Like I said in the previous videos, I did say I was gonna wait for y'all, or actually going to do my first match with you guys, and here it is. We're gonna do our first match. I've been training and stuff, and when I mean training, I mean hardly training at all. And what I mean by that is I did the trials and stuff like that, but I'm just ready to, and practice combos a bit, but I'm just ready to get into some matches. So let's do a ranked match, I guess. Let's go with Ass. You don't want those 2 bars, 1 bars, any other is fine. Let's just change the stage because everyone knows about this stage, the lag central. Cammy, of course. We're gonna go with the default, but we're gonna switch the color. We're gonna do the blue.
I'll be on guard.
With a B skill to spin attack. I think it's a little bit better in my opinion. And now we're about to start our first match here at rookie rank. The very first match with my Arcade Stick account. I wonder who we're gonna get first. Definitely, like I said, did the couple combos to the trial, but now I'm just ready to get into a match. Don't want to spend too much time training. I just want to get into a match, see where I'm at, now, without any of the training and stuff like that, just as a base. But yeah, hopefully we get somebody, around their skill. I know, of course, I know that I'm gonna have a little bit of an advantage because, of course, I've played this game before. Of course, I'm a diamond rank in my first account, so I'm gonna have, I should have fundamentals over them and stuff like that, but who knows with this thing, right? What's fundamentals if you can control your character, you know what I mean? If you can control your character, how useful are fundamentals? So hopefully we can still prosper even with the disadvantage on our hands, with the slight disadvantage on our hands. Yes, I'm already option selecting my loss. I'm already about to like I said, option selecting my loss. But I'm just being a little bit real. I'm just being real. I kind of suck on this thing, but here we are. The very first match, 3 bars. We take those. We definitely take those. Cammy, let's go. And also, I might do one with Jury as well. Depending on how long this one takes, I might do one with Jury as well. No, both of them love on the very first episode. Of course, it's a real. Who else would it be? Okay. Here we go. Not that nervous. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be dropping some stuff. Definitely gonna be dropping the ball. Hardly. I'm pretty much gonna have to stay on the ground. During this. Because I cannot die kick to save my life. So I know, alright, a Cammy player that doesn't jump, that's unheard of, but I'm definitely gonna have to not jump as much because I can't really dive kick. Of course, we're gonna run this stage, beginner stage. I don't blame him too much. He might have just started. Okay. First attack, baby. Oh, lag, baby. Oh. I just said I wasn't gonna jump. Gotcha. Yes! Ooh, I mashed out that cannon spike so hard. Bro, I'm the heck out of that cannon spike. Let's see if we're gonna dope it.
Not yet.
Got that kick. I just said I'm not gonna die kick. Oof. Even blocking kind of hard in this game. Super. Hey! That was the meatiest of meaty. I'm out here celebrating beating this three achievements, huh? I'm out here celebrating this rookie player who probably doesn't know what he's doing. I'm out here popping off and stuff against this guy, but this is hype, bro. This is hype.
This is your first win in a ranked match.
First win of many. He wants to play again. Oh, he does. Cool. Okay.
Round 1.
I'm gonna jump. We're not diving. We're just gonna jump. Oof. You're blocking when this thing is hard.
Not yet.
Do it again.
Break you. Hadouken.
Go again. Ah!
Shoryuken. Hadouken.
Jumped again. Let's go. Do it again.
Not yet. Goya. Shoryuken. Shoryuken.
Nice.
Hadouken.
Return.
Hadouken.
Yeah! Bro, you're so easy. Too easy, bro. You're so easy. Wow, you're popping off against the rookie player. That's crazy. Ooh, nice combo.
Hadouken.
Come on, Buster.
Shoryuken. Not yet.
Come on.
Shoryuken.
Ah. You did it.
Not yet. Hadouken.
Oh, I tried to super do that. I'm stupid. I tried to super do that. Try to style on him.
Was a very difficult fight.
Very, very wrong with me.
Fight. Break you. Not yet.
Perfect. Let's go. Hold on, hold on. Wait. No! Ah. Uh-oh. Return. Yeah! 2-0. Now I'm playing GG's though. GG's.
You win.
He's struggling just like me out here. But GG's. Okay, that went relatively fast. I think we do have some time for a jury match, so that should go even worse. But let's do it. All right, guys, we got one. Didn't take too long. Didn't have to wait too long for this one compared to that Cammy one. But let's see who we got this time. Is it another Ryu or Akuma? Seth. Okay. Seth, wasn't expecting to see someone like him here. I was definitely like betting on like a jury, betting on like a Ryu, him, Akuma, Sakura, even maybe like a Shota. Oh snap! A bronze guy. What am I doing finding a bronze guy? But of course, the default jury costume. We just wanted to use the default costume at least for this video, and I had to pick the best color, the best color. Color 3 on jury's default is really good too, but definitely the pink is really good, super good.
Well then, where do you want me to break you first?
Everywhere, jury, everywhere.
My name is Seth. Round 1.
3 wins, huh? This guy's good.
Fight.
Oh yeah!
Oh.
Sure not bad.
Ah.
You idiot!
Ah. Come on. Fireball.
Move over. Useless.
Not bad.
Get lost.
Watch this, guys. Yeah, watch that. Watch that, guys. Win pose.
Was it good to
Hey.
you?
Top tier win pose.
Round 2. Fight. Mad Cradle.
Loose. I have to look down to press buttons and stuff. Ah, well, that's super.
More than enough.
We get a big combo. Oof. Woo! That was gonna be that to Chip, because I had a feeling he didn't know that. I had a feeling he didn't know how to V reversal.
You
So
win.
that was gonna be that to light pinwheel, a light DP to Chip, but honestly my super probably wouldn't have come out. So I'm happy that at
This
least
is your
hit.
third win in a ranked match.
Man's probably shook. He's like, oh no. I didn't expect this guy to be this good. Is he gonna leave? Okay, cool. Nice. 2 in a row with no leaves. Huh.
Round
We
1.
respect that. We respect that.
Fight.
Jump in. Fours. You gotta get good combo.
Show me everything.
I got out of this corner. Oh no. Oh no.
Die a thousand deaths.
Get out of here. Didn't you know my activation is plus out here? My activation is plus. Come on now, it's plus.
Fight. Get lost.
Want to do it?
See what I
Nice.
really made. I'll settle.
Man's got supers.
It's the end.
We're gonna beat you back to me.
Show me
Shoot.
everything.
Maybe not. Uh-oh.
Get me. Get lost. Die a thousand deaths.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
Over.
Uh-oh.
Not bad.
Come on, fireball. Fireball. Eat that. Oh. Eat it again. Eat it one more time.
Fire.
Ah. Wait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Walk up, grab. I knew he wasn't expecting that one. I don't think anyone grabbed this whole game. He teched a couple times, but I don't think anyone grabbed, so I knew he wasn't expecting that one. But of course, 2 of both games, you know, just godlike like that. Good games to TV Mobile 101. Definitely had some of the basics down. Got that super out at least. That was pretty cool. Got the super out. I would have never got that super. I would have never got my super out. But yeah, that should be it for the second full episode of the Learning Arcade Stick series. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my horrible gameplay. I swear I played better on my main account. I swear I did, bro. I played better on my main, I swear. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you for episode 3 or 2.5. You know, whatever happens. I'll see you then.